Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to download Grammarly for Microsoft Office. So in this video I will show you that. So let's begin our video. So first of all, what should you do? You just need to open your browser. Any kind of browser you can open. I just open my Chrome browser and just go on the search bar and type for Grammarly. Grammarly for uh, Microsoft Word, or sorry, Grammarly for Microsoft. There you can see. Then enter it. So here you can see it's open Grammarly for Microsoft Office. So open on it, and now there you can see Grammarly for Microsoft Word and Outlook. And if you scroll down, and you can see Grammarly for Microsoft Office. Open on it. Just click on it, and after that you can download from here for Microsoft Office for Grammarly. So I hope you can understand, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.